Okay, so in this question we're given a log equation, and that's log base 2 of x squared plus 5x plus 14, and that equals 3 plus log base 2 of x plus 3, and we need to solve for x. So the first step will be to bring over this log over here. So we'll get log base 2 of x squared plus 5x plus 14, and then minus, and we'll minus this over, so that's log base 2 of x plus 3, and that equals 3. So now that we've got all the logs on one side and everything else without a log on the other side, we can now join up the logs. So we'll join this up using the subtraction rule. So that gives us log base 2 of, and it's this over here, so it's x squared plus 5x plus 14, and the minus becomes a division, so that's all over x plus 3, and that equals 3. And now that we only have one log equaling something, we can now unlog this, so we can rewrite it in index notation. So the rules of logs is that it should be 2 to the power of 3 should equal all of this. So 2 to the power of 3 equals x squared plus 5x plus 14. That's all over 3. And now we're just going to work this out. That's an 8. And we're going to times up the x plus 3 at the same time. So bracket x plus 3 equals x squared plus 5x plus 14. And now we'll expand brackets and bring everything to one side. So we get 8x plus 24 equals x squared plus 5x plus 14. And let's bring it over. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. And this should be factorizable. So this is xx and minus 5 plus 2 equals 0. And that gives us x minus 5 is 0 and x plus 2 is 0. So we have x equals 5 and x equals minus 2. Now these x equals 5 and x equals minus 2 are solutions of this quadratic, but they may not necessarily be solutions of the original log. We just have to make sure that when we sub it in, we don't get a negative number in here or here. So if we plug in 5, for example, over here, this will definitely be positive. So that's okay, and this will become an 8, so that's also fine. So definitely x equals 5 is a solution. And now we have to see about minus 2. If you plug minus 2 into here, we get a positive 1, so that's okay. And we just have to work out, let's just work out if you plug in minus 2 in here, plus 14 equals, so that's 4 minus 10 plus 14, which equals 4. So that's fine, that's also positive. So therefore, these are both solutions.